Hey guys, this is Justin again. Today in this video I am going to show you how to make your own custom 3D designs and files and using a website that I actually learned in school called onshape. Now I don't know exactly the background of this website, but what it is you can basically create your own custom stuff. You can make your like selfie sticks, and they can actually move in the app. And then yeah, so today I'm going to show you how to make how to basically what everything does. And in my opinion, you guys should get used to it eventually once you play around with it. And yeah, so we're going to use this coin as my main prototype model thing, like example. So let's make a new document. As you can see, you can make so many different things. Like I tried to make ships and aircraft carriers, and yeah. So you might actually have to create your own. Actually, I think you have to. You have to create an email for this website. I'm pretty sure that should take like 5 minutes, but I'm not going to show you that. And so once you get into it, you have to create document, and then here you can just name anything. Like here, let's call it YouTube, and create public document. Okay, so here we go. So basically what I do, since I'm obviously going to 3D print this, I start with the top plane. So to go to the top plane, you have to click this like cube here, so you can see like all the, the places where you can do stuff. And so yeah, I do the top plane because it only makes sense because, the bed for 3D printers. So to start with making whatever you want to make, you have to click sketch, and then you have to click whatever part of the cube you're on. And then to make like circles and stuff, you can click C to make like circles. Like if you want to make a frisbee, for example, you can click C, and that will make a center point circle for you. And escape to exit out of that, so you can stop making circles. And if you want to make this circle a certain amount of how big it is, you click D for dimension, and then you click on the circle, and then you can exit out of that, like move away from it, and then click again, and you can type how many inches you want it. Yeah. Now, if you don't want a circle, you can click so many different things. Like you can click R for red crap. Or to delete something first, you have to obviously click back. Now, if you want to click like squares, for example, you can either type like you can click on any of this stuff, like mirroring it and squares and stuff. But yeah, I got so used to it to the part where I can just click R and stuff for square, rectangles, and mirroring it. And if you want to create your own custom stuff, like doesn't matter what shape it is, you can click like L, for example, and like make a T or an I. I have no idea what I'm doing. This is such a bad eye. Oh my god. So you make like your own custom designs with that. And yeah, so let's get started. So I'm going to come back to the circle we made earlier. And now to make a 3D, you can click this box on a box icon, extrude, or shift E, and this makes it like non-flat. Now, if you can either click this arrow to go up and down to see like how big it is, how thick you want it, or you can just click this. I'd say let's do this like 0.5 inch. That's pretty close to what we had. And then to make a coin, I personally don't know how to make like penny logos on and quarters, like heads and stuff on the coin. So what I started to do one time, I just sketch and I just make another circle. Like, you ever seen a penny where it has like the main thing, but then it has like a circle going around the rim and then it's pushed downwards? So you can just make another circle, extrude it again, but you can click remove, and that will push it downwards. As you can see, it does do that. Now, I don't get me wrong, I would do the bottom side, but where I stand, we're printing this thing, and this is going to be the side where the bed is on. So you can make a another side for this, another indent side, but then you're probably going to have supports there, obviously, and then you're going to have to like figure out a way to get that out, and that's the most stressful part of this all, in my opinion. So yeah, and the way you can make a file of this, let's get into that now. Come over here to the parts, double click with your mouse, and you see all of this. You don't want to hit delete unless if you really hate what you just made. Hit export, and then this is all the stuff you have to have the file set up for it to actually be an STL file so you can print it. The name doesn't matter, you just literally do anything. Like, I'm going to say coin YouTube, but then the format has to be an STL file, and then the STL file format has to be binary. Units has to be in millimeters. Resolution has to be fine, and options is download. And now, as you remember in my very first video I've ever did, you have to have two websites or apps called 3D Builder and your site to build the file you made, and then you have to have Cura to to slice the file. So yeah, let's open 3D Builder, and so import model. If I'm going too fast, you can just check out my other video and see everything I did. I'll try to leave a link in the description, but if I can't figure that out, I guess just go to it. It's called How to Send Files to Your 3D Printer's SD card. So now so basically you guys should know what to do from here. An hour and 20 minutes. Let's actually make this smaller just for the sake of saving filming, so this video doesn't be another 45 minutes long. 36 minutes, I can work with that. So yeah. So you guys should know what to do from here. Yeah. So that's pretty much everything on how. So it's in my SD card now. So you guys should know what to do from here. Obviously, print the thing. So yeah, it's should be there in my files. So yeah, have a great day. Subscribe if you haven't already. Click like. Leave a comment below if you have any questions. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time.